Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. Diet is of utmost importance during pregnancy. A balanced diet is highly required for the proper development of the baby in the womb. When it comes to the diet, you need to understand what you have to eat and what you do not have to eat. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 basic ingredients which you might be using while preparing your food or in any cuisines, and that you might not know that it is not at all good for you during pregnancy. So without wasting time, let's get started. The number one thing is sesame seeds. Now sesame seeds in Hindi are known as til. So there could be many formats to eat til during pregnancy or the sesame seeds. Some people would like to make chutney or the paste out of it. Some would be using in making laddu like the sesame seeds and the jaggery laddu, or some would be using it as a seasoning in some food items like honey chili potato. You would have definitely seen that sesame seeds are highly used as a seasoning on honey chili potato. So the main thing to understand is that sesame seeds in any form you are eating, it is not at all good for you during pregnancy. This is that much harmful that it can also terminate your pregnancy. Sesame seeds can cause uterine contraction, and you should take care when you are in your first trimester because it can also eliminate the fertilized ovum. The number second is fenugreek seeds, that is methi dana in Hindi, and the third one is the fennel seeds that are known as saunf in Hindi. Now they are also used in various of Indian cuisines. Fennel seeds are highly used as a mouth freshener after eating food commonly. So my dear friends, I would like to tell you that if you are eating fenugreek seeds or the fennel seeds in bigger amount, it can stimulate the menstruation. That is, it can cause miscarriage as well. Fennel, that is saunf, and the fenugreek seeds are generally used to stimulate menstruation when it is due for some long time, and to clean the uterus and to boost up the milk production. These spices contain phytoestrogens which can also cause uterine contraction. But it is almost okay to use fenugreek seeds or the fennel seeds in very small amount, like 1 or 2 pinches in something you are cooking. It is completely okay, but try to avoid the higher doses. So friend, these are the 3 ingredients or the spices you can say that are commonly found in the kitchen and used tremendously in the food items. But friends, use them judiciously because this is not at all good for you during pregnancy. Hope you have liked this video. If you like it, kindly press the like button. If you are coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing. Press the notification bell and select all to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. So let's catch up in another video. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.